Hello, everyone. Here is YiLuProxy's channel. The video shows how to use YiLuProxy in Waterfox browser. First of all, set up YiLuProxy as shown. Set proxy port, bind address, proxy engine settings, and proxy rules. Select the second proxy rule, only applications in program use proxy network. Then save. Then drag Waterfox browser into Program tab. Double-click a static IP to connect. Then double-click waterfox.exe in Program. Enter epinfo.io to check IP address. The browser environment's IP is the same as the IP connected in YiLuProxy. Then select the first proxy rule, Global Proxy Setting, which means all applications use proxy network without dragging applications into program. Then delete waterfox.exe in program. Change a proxy IP. Refresh the web page and check IP address again. The IP also has changed. Then use Waterfox browser proxy setting. Click Setting. On Network Settings, click Settings. Select Manual Proxy Configuration. On SOCKS host, enter 127.0.0.1 and port 1080. Select SOCKS v5. Elect Proxy DNS when using SOCKS v5. Then click OK. Refresh the web page again. The IP is also that IP connected in YiLuProxy. Then try change THR proxy port. Assign different IPs to different ports in YiLuProxy. Then change proxy port to 5500. Check the IP address. The IP is that one assigned to proxy port 5500. Change proxy port to 5501. Now the IP is that one assigned to proxy port 5501. OK. The video about how to use YiLuProxy in Waterfox browser is over. Thanks for watching and subscribing.